The Huawei Mate 80 series is coming, and it might just be Huawei's boldest redesign yet. Real-life images of the Mate 80 lineup have leaked online, and what we're seeing is a massive visual shift from the Mate 70. The most striking change is the brand new circular camera module. It's still round, but now the triple camera lenses are arranged in a triangle pattern, giving it a more symmetrical look. At the top sits what's believed to be a periscope telephoto lens, while the two lenses below are most likely the main and ultra-wide sensors. And here's something new: Huawei seems to be adding dual LED flash modules this time. One of them might even serve as a color or light sensor to enhance low light performance and color accuracy. The camera ring itself appears to be surrounded by a metallic or steel finish, giving the Mate 80 Pro a premium, industrial vibe. One of the leaked images even shows a vibrant yellow color option, which is quite rare for Huawei flagships. Beyond the design, the Mate 80 series is expected to bring serious power under the hood. We're talking about the latest Kirin chipset, up to 100-watt fast charging, and possibly, for the first time ever, a built-in cooling fan on one of the higher-end models. Huawei will reportedly launch for versions: the Mate 80, Mate 80 Pro, Mate 80 Pro Plus, and the ultra-premium Mate 80 RS, which could feature a titanium frame and a dual-layer OLED display for enhanced brightness and durability. So far, Huawei hasn't confirmed a launch date, but with certifications already complete and leaks flooding in, the Mate 80 series could be closer than we think. So what are your thoughts on the Mate 80 Pro design? Drop your thoughts below and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech breakdowns and deep dives.